Oh, you dirty, dirty girl. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're having a bit of a break in the weather up here. It's about 55 degrees and sunny, so I'm going to go ahead and take advantage, whip out the pressure washer, and wash my wrapped Tacoma, get some of that lovely winter road salt off it. And I'm going to point out a few things going along the way, because washing and taking care of a wrapped Tacoma, it's probably an often overlooked secondary bonus that makes it much easier to clean and take care of than the paint on your regular Tacoma. So it's been a couple weeks since I washed my Tacoma. We've had a lot of rain and snow and salt and stuff, and you can see on the fender here, because they're black, it's a little obvious. You can see the road spray right there that just wipes out. But if you're just looking at the orange mat, I mean, it is filthy, but I'm literally like a couple feet away and it looks perfect. So that is definitely an added bonus that I love about the wrap. You can see if I get closer here, you can see some of the road salt buildup right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to sort of walk through on, just general things to keep in mind if you do get a vehicle wrap and how to take care of it as far as washing and all that goes. You can, of course, do this stuff by hand, but I love having a plug-in pressure washer like this. Definitely makes it a lot easier. This goes up to 16 psi, which is more than plenty for washing your vehicle. I will put a link to this and everything else I'm going to talk about in just a second down in the description below. I got this one from Greenworks, about $100. It has paid for itself multiple times if you consider it costs you about $10 to go to one of those drive-through pressure washer places where you do it yourself with the quarters, or even one of the drive-through with the rotating brushes, which I've definitely heard horror stories about. Like to avoid those whenever possible. This is the pressure washer attachment that does come with the unit right here. It's got a few different nozzles. And I also purchased one of these. I cannot recommend it enough. It is a foam cannon, which I will be using with, you can use all kinds of car washes, but you always want to get some of the super foaming ones to really take advantage of this. This one I just have is turtle wax right here. And the best part of all this, I'm going to rinse the truck off, hit it with the foam cannon, and let that sort of run around and mix everything off, and then spray that off. And I'm not even going to dry it to show you how having the wrap actually eliminates that last step, which we all seem to dread, which is actually drying off all the paint. Okay, and for the first step, I will just be using the pressure washer to go ahead and thoroughly rinse off all the dirt, crud, and salt that I can, both on the outside of the truck and then underneath. The biggest thing to remember during the actual rinse phase is, since you are using a high pressure water with the pressure washer, anywhere the wrap folds around, like right here between the cab and the bed, definitely you don't want to get it directly on there. So you want to do like sort of passing from at least a few feet away. If you're hitting the pressure washer directly on the wrap, it should be fine, but again, you just don't want to get too close. And now, what I consider to be the very best part of owning your own pressure washer, the foam cannon. Got the suds on there. All you have to do now is just let them do their thing and let gravity do its work, and then rinse all the suds off. And like I said, I'll be air drying and show you the results. And there you go, guys. It's been sitting in the sun for about an hour. Did not dry this at all with a microfiber towel like I usually would have, just for the paint. Trying to get here, you can see the sun's back there. It's getting a nice shine off the hood, so you can see not a spot at all. And again, when I did mine, I didn't even use like a microfiber washcloth with a bucket of suds or anything. You can do that if you have like a small spot that has like road grease or something like that on it, but I did not need to in this case. You can see it looks great. Got a little bit on the fenders. I can always wipe that off though, but much easier to clean than the regular paint, and I love that about the wrap. So in addition to looking fantastic, super easy to maintain. Can't beat that. Alright everybody, thank you for watching. As always, stay tuned for the next few videos. Got some fun stuff coming out because I recently crossed 10K subscribers, so thank you so much to anyone who is already subscribed. If this is your first time stopping by, go ahead and subscribe if you have not already. Give the video a like, comment below. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and family on social media, and hit that bell notification so you're notified every time I upload, which is at least twice a week. Enjoy your weekend, and I will see you in the next video.